Hi, welcome to the Food Zone. Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen, bringing you another recipe today where we take this journey together and we learn together. I'm going to bring you the Beyond Meat burger, the Whopper Copycat. I'm going to try to make the Whopper out of the Beyond Beef. So I have the Beyond Beef burgers here. Sorry, I apologize for that. So those are veggie burgers by Beyond Meat. They're supposed to be as close to regular beef as possible. I have ketchup, I have mayonnaise, I have my Kaiser bun, I got lettuce, onion, the pickle, the tomatoes, and I have olive oil for the pan. So I'm going to use my mother's famous pan. Like I always say in my other videos, I can never let this go. My mother passed away last year. It's been a year she's been gone. I miss her, and I just love cooking in that pan. So the only thing is I forgot to put out here on the plate is I have two pieces of vegan cheese. So we'll use that. Like this would be really close to vegan, but not totally, because I have regular I have conventional ketchup and organic mayonnaise. So I'm just trying to see what I can do with the Beyond Meat burger. So let's give it a try. So we'll just go to the pan next. Alright, so we're back. Let's just spray in that olive oil from 365, and we'll go ahead and throw those into the pot. This is really veggie burgers don't take long to cook, so this is still like probably a recipe under 15 minutes. After you do it a while, you could probably do it in 10 minutes or less. Alright, so we got both patties in there, and excuse me for the cheese. I had a problem with the cheese, so we're going to make just the regular Whopper, not the Whopper with cheese. Alright, so like I said, we got both patties in there, and we're just going to cook them for like 2 or 3 minutes on each side. But basically just judge your own stove and see what happens. If you want, you could put the cover on so the grease doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to let this go for a couple minutes on this side and be back. Alright, so it's about a minute in there. You can hear it sizzle and the oil pop. So we're just going to give it another minute on here and then flip it, and then we'll just go and make our Whopper. So we're going to just make the Whopper. Alright, YouTube, I am back. You can see the smoke. You hear that oil sizzle. So I just flipped the burgers, and I'm just going to let them cook for a couple minutes. So like I said, just judge it. But this one's really easy once you get going. So I'll just flip them again, and then have all the stuff to add to make it the Whopper. So wish it was the Whopper and cheese, but we're going to just have the Whopper. AKA Batman in the Kitchen. Thanks for joining me. And let's take this journey together where we both learn new recipes. Alright, YouTube, sorry for keep showing you the same pan, but it's taking a little bit longer to cook these, but I don't want to overdo them. So you can see the smoke, and they're starting to darken. So it's only going to be another minute or two, and then we'll go right to the condiments, our ketchup and mayonnaise, and we'll have our Beyond Burger Whopper Copycat. Dansoy. Alright, so the veggie burgers are done. We're just going to put another plate here, and then we're going to go to town. We're going to be like we work at Burger King. Alright, so we got the Beyond Beef burger there. We have one extra. I'm not going to make it now. Now you're going to start building it. So you're going to just take your pickles. And there's no science to this. Usually they put 4 pickles on, but if you want more, you know, just do it yourself. So we have the pickles on there. Now they usually take 3 onion slices. But like I said, if you want more onion, put more onion on there. So we're only building half the Whopper right now. The other side will have the mayonnaise and the lettuce and tomato. So We got the pickles and onions on there, and now we're just gonna put our ketchup on there. So just ring the ketchup on there. Usually they only do like 3 rings, but put on as much as you want. So I wish we would have had cheese. I apologize for that. Now we'll build the other side, and then we'll just put it on top. Alright, so put your mayonnaise on there and just spread it about, and then we'll build the rest of it. Sorry, the camera is shaky. Alright, so we like I said, we have the mayonnaise on there. I spread it with the spoon, and now you're going to just take your chopped lettuce and throw it on there. They use chopped lettuce at Burger King, and like I said before, just use whatever you feel you should. And then when that's done, usually they put on 2 tomatoes. So you can see that we used up a lot of the condiments, and that's the one side of the Whopper, that's the other side. Now we're just going to flip it, and then we're done, and then you can just eat away. Alright, so we got that side of the Whopper on the top of it. I didn't want to put the tomatoes and mayonnaise on top of the hot burger at first, because it might damage, I know it's a weird word, damage the lettuce, tomato, and make the mayonnaise runny. So now we're just going to take this, put your thumb on there, and just flip it over. And then there you have it. You have your Beyond Burger Whopper. I know the bun's a little bit bigger than they use, but this is the only roll I can get. So that's basically your Whopper. But that's hefty burger. And the best thing about it is it's yummy. So you can't go wrong there. Alright, so we're done with our Beyond Meat Whopper Copycat. You can see how thick that is. So that's going to be really good. It's a burger. It'd be hard to get into your mouth, but that's the Whopper. That's a really hefty veggie burger. But enjoy. So this is Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen, at the Food Zone, where we learn recipes together. Thanks for coming to my channel. I'll be bringing you more updates Friday and then next week. So I'm going to stick to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'm going to try to bring you 3 to 5 updates a week, either recipes, tips, or food reviews. So thanks for visiting me. Please hit the bell so you get notifications, and please subscribe. And thanks for supporting me. Love you. Peace out. Dansoy.